Hey, what's up guys? I'm Dickson, representing Firehouse, and today you're gonna be learning some popping, only on Super Step. You know them one day, yeah? Alright, cool, let's go. Alright guys, I'm Dickson. I'm going to teach you today popping, but more specifically the grooves. Check it out. Alright guys, welcome to the groove section. Say the groove, nobody grooves. Alright, today I'm going to teach you the basic foundation of the groove. So we're going to do the head groove, which is in popping, to side, and sometimes forward and back. We do the shoulder groove, side to side. So basically you're doing a U shape, like up, down, up, down, up. Then we're gonna do the hip groove, Then we're gonna take it a little bit more complicated, and we're gonna go into the rolls, yeah? Which goes like this. You know this one? Yeah? Roll of the shoulders, roll of the chest, roll of the head, roll of your hips. Yeah? You guys know about this dance? Yeah? Okay? That's the grooves we're gonna learn today. Make sure you focus yourself.
Say one thing.
Look into the camera.
Don't fuck with Paca.